Hi, and welcome. Thank you for joining. In this video, I will be looking at the propagation of pineapple from suckers and ratoons. I attach links for articles that I found to be helpful. The picture shown here is actually taken from one of the sources in the attachment. Pineapple is typically propagated from new vegetative growth from the original mother plant. There are 4 types of common planting material: the crown of the fruit, slips and hapas, which arise from the stalk below the fruit, suckers, which arise from the leaf axils of leaves, and ratoons, which arise from underground portions of the stem. I propagated my first pineapple plant from the crown of a store-bought fruit. Since that time, I have obtained several of the pineapple plants from the parent plants. The plants shown here that are flowering, these were actually propagated from crowns, and what I'll be showing later on in the video is propagation from suckers and ratoons. So here, this particular part, I've had produced videos on this in which you've seen I've done 2 harvests from this one, and this practically it produced suckers. So I found that with that means of propagation, I found that the plants will fruit at a faster rate. So I had fruiting within a year after the first harvest. Now this one was a little bit not as mature, so this will take a little longer before it starts to flower. The hapas occurs with the fruiting pineapple. So here are some other examples. So shown here, you could see the original parent plant. The harvest was done from this point here, and so now here is the new offshoot shown here. So this one is coming up through the soil. So this one is usually referred to as the ratoon. So the ratoon arises from underground portions of the stem. Now here in this particular one, you can see a new shoot that's coming out, but this is coming differently. This one is actually coming from the leaf axils or the axils of the leaves, and so this one is referred to as suckers. So this one here actually have 2 suckers which are rising from the leaf axils shown here, and so I may have to do some separating, find a way to do that. Here I have this one here below here shown here, and then here this is the larger one. So the harvest was done from this point here, and then here we have a 4th one. Okay, so the harvest was done from this point. Let's see if there's anything here. So I do not see anything here as yet, but I won't uproot it as yet. I'll just wait and see if there are signs eventually, that if there will be signs of new shoots. So here I just wanted to show you some examples of other ways in which the pineapple is propagated. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to the Petersville Farm channel if you have not done so. Thank you.